Hi students, welcome back to the channel. So here in this video we are going to discuss HTML superscript tag, that is very important and most commonly used tag in almost every website. So in HTML lecture series, this is our lecture number 16 where we will discuss with basic introduction part, and after that we'll do everything practically. So let's move to the introduction part. So this is our superscript tag, and if you want to write this tag on your notepad or notepad plus plus, there is no need to write complete superscript. We just need to write it as sup. Okay, so sup tag defines superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. So what does it mean is, suppose this is our normal character line. Okay, if I want to write something over this e, like 2, for example, if we write a square, so normal character line के ऊपर if we write something, if we want to write something, we always use sup tag, that means superscript tag. So superscript text can be used for footnotes, and these text appear half a character above the normal line. For example, this is the normal line. If we want to add something above this normal line, so we always use superscript tag, and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. So here we have the example. For example, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. If I want to write this particular statement in my HTML code, so we always use superscript tag for this. Okay, so let's move to the practical section. So here I'm starting with the basic tags, that is HTML, head, and then title. So here we have title is superscript tags. Okay, now close this tag, close this head section. After that, our main body section I'm starting here, and after that we always need to close this body tag, and at the last we always need to close what? We always need to close HTML tag. So between these body tags हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे what this statement I want to write. So suppose if I write here as bracket a plus b whole square, just save this. Okay, is equals to, just save this as sup.html. Save, and here we have sup.html. So here you can see, 2 is in the same line. Okay, but I want it to put over this a plus b. I want to use it as what? I want to use it as power of a plus b. So what we need to do here is, we always need to use sup tag here, and we always need to close this tag. Okay, save, and you can see the results. So this is how superscript tag actually works in any web page. Okay, now I want to complete this formula, that is a square. I want to add 2 again over this particular a, so I'm writing 2 sup, save, and refresh. A plus b whole square is equals to a square. Now a square plus b, I again want to add superscript 2 like this. Save, refresh. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab. Save and refresh. So this is how actually superscript tags actually work in your web page. Okay, this is very simple. Whatever text you want to write over this particular statement or over any of the text, you always need to use superscript tag. Another example I am taking after this br tag. Okay, suppose I want to write a square. or I want to write H2O59, sorry, this is 9H7G. I want to write every number as a power. Okay, I want to add every number as a power in this particular statement. So what we need to do is, before this 2, I'm starting superscript tag. Suppose I forgot to close the superscript tag. जब मैं इसको सेव करूंगी and refresh करूंगी, you can see close नहीं करेंगे, so everything will be at the top of this particular statement. Everything जो है वो power के रूप में यहाँ पे काम करेगा. So we always need to close what? We always need to close superscript tag here. So see the results. Okay, see the results. Let me just add 1 or 2 more break row over here. Save and refresh. So you can see the difference. Now I want to add 9 as power of this particular term, that is O. Okay, so again I am writing here SUP. Now I am closing SUP. Again for 7 I am using same, just close SUP, save and refresh. Okay, so I hope everything is clear here. So before moving to the next topic or before moving to the next section, I would like to tell you that you can use any of the previous tags with these superscript tags. For example, if I want to change the color of these statements, if I want to change the color of this particular formula section, let's say if I want to change the color of this particular formula section, I would add here font color is equals to red. Okay, and here I am closing this, save and refresh. So this is how we can add so many tags. We can use so many tags together in HTML to make our web page, to make our website more attractive or more interactive, right? So again, if I want to add marquee tag, we have already discussed in previous lectures that how you can use marquee tags. So basically marquee tags are used to scroll anything in your web page. We have already discussed how you can mark how you can scroll your text, how you can scroll your image on your web page. Similarly, I want to scroll, I want that this particular formula will scroll over my the screen. So I'm using here what? I'm using here marquee tag, MARQUEE. Remember this form, remember the spelling. Most of the students यहाँ पे spelling की वजह से गड़बड़ कर देते हैं. Save and refresh. So you can see here, with the help of marquee tag, with the help of font tag, we can make our websites more creative, more interactive. Okay, so I hope everything is clear till now. If you have any doubt, you can add you can add comment. I will definitely reply you. So thanks for watching.